Hi friends, as you can see, it is an absolutely gorgeous spring day here at Smith Mountain Lake. My name is Andy Gibson, and along with my business partner Jennifer Church, we own and operate the Smith Mountain Lake Insider's Guide, the #1 resource for all things Smith Mountain Lake since 1998. So today I have some really exciting news to share with you. So when Jennifer and I took the site over just a few years ago, we really put a lot of thought and hard work into building the online presence, adding fresh new content, building the social media presence, and we've just been blown away by the traffic gains that we've made, just the enthusiasm and the buzz that has been created in the community. So today we're excited to announce that we will be launching in May the Smith Mountain Lake Insider's Guide magazine. So it will be in stands just in time for the busy summer season. So we already have thousands of people who visit the site every day to find the most comprehensive information on Smith Mountain Lake events, restaurants, things to do, vacation planning resources, and this will be another awesome opportunity to grow that audience even more. So it's your engagement and your enthusiasm that have led us to this new and exciting adventure. And so I can't wait for you to learn more. I'm going to go inside now so that Jennifer can join me and share some more details about what you can expect in the new magazine.
Okay, Jennifer, I made the big announcement, so why don't you provide a little details on what readers can expect from our new magazine?
Okay, great. So here's what we envision. We envision the magazine becoming just the perfect companion to the website, because we work very hard to keep the website current and make it the most useful resource out there for all things Smith Mountain Lake. And so the new quarterly magazine is going to help us do that more effectively. And so what we're planning is definitely a vibrant, full color, high quality magazine. It will have true insider tips, expert advice, incredible photography. It's very important. And an authentic local stories that highlight just what makes our lake home the best. So we've put together a great team of writers, photographers, designers. So we're confident that the result is going to be quality content, quality design, quality production. Plus we have a successful publishing track record. So I'm sure some of you watching this will remember Andy's previous publishing experience locally here at the lake and what kind of product that was back then. So I worked with her at that publication also, and it's actually how we met. So that's exciting. And we know that we can produce the same level of content and presentation. And then when we couple that with the website, that's what makes it really exciting, because we're just providing multiple ways that visitors and residents of the lake can get information they're looking for. And I just think it's going to be a great combination.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be a coffee table worthy publication and an absolute must read for residents and visitors and people who are thinking about vacationing here or even relocating to Smith Mountain Lake. So I also wanted to point out that our plan is to extend every article off the page and onto the web with value added content. So it might be an interactive map or a free download, a video, extended story, or, more photos.
Right. Okay. So here's what our plan is to how you will actually be able to get a copy. We plan to publish quarterly and distribute 10,000 copies in all 4 seasons for free in high traffic sites around the Smith Mountain Lake region, including Bridgewater Plaza and the Westlake area. And they will also be available at key locations like grocery stores, libraries, hotels, resorts, and even vacation rental homes.
Mm-hmm. Correct. And the inaugural issue, which again we hope to have out before Memorial Day weekend when the busy summer season starts, it will be a celebration of all things summer at Smith Mountain Lake, and will include details on the biggest events, the top things to do, and our really popular Smith Mountain Lake Waterfront Dining Guide, which is filled with all sorts of insider tips on, what kind of food you can expect, and docking tips, and just a really, really handy piece to keep close by.
Right. Right. That'll be a great issue. So that's all for now, but there is much more on the horizon. So next week, we plan to unveil mock covers and interior pages so everyone can get a sneak peek at just how outstanding the SML Insiders magazine will be. And if you want to be the first to know all of the new developments on this project, then be sure to sign up for our email newsletter, and I will put a link in the comments below.
And if you're interested in learning about advertising opportunities, either in the print version or our online site, you can shoot an email to me at ads at smlinsiders.com, and we'll put that in the notes as well. And we'll be happily mail you a media kit. And anything else? I think that's it.
No, that's it.
Right?
Thanks for watching and coming along with us on this new and exciting venture.
It's going to be awesome.